Hello everyone, how are you today? I really hope you are having a good day and that things are going well for you. For me, I woke up early this morning with a sense of peace and I went straight to the flower shop. I wanted to buy some fresh flowers because I plan to offer them to the gods as a small gesture of gratitude. I rushed to the shop, carefully picked up the most vibrant flowers, and then I went to a special Tancred place I love. It's a place I usually visit when I need calm through lately. I haven't been able to go often because life have been so hectic. But today I made time. I sat down quietly, feeling the breeze, and I fed the birds with sunrise and water that I scattered on the ground. After some time, I returned home and in my room,
Oh, can it be Bellule Daisy? I think about you all the time, girl. I need you in my life. You make all of my good.
once I arrived in my room, I offered those beautiful roses to the gods. It was a calm, reflective day, and I feel so grateful. So that was my day. How about you?